Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Stack Learning, your hub for hands-on coding and practical tools. In today's session, we're doing live coding with 3 powerful PDF loaders in Python: PyPDFLoader, PDFPlumberLoader, and PyMuPDFLoader. We'll run them in the terminal, break down the code, and show you how to extract text, tables, and even images. If you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow the channel for more coding deep dives. Let's get started. Alright, let's dive into PyPDFLoader, one of the most common ways to extract text from PDFs using LangChain. PyPDFLoader is built on top of the PyPDF library. It's lightweight, fast, and perfect for simple text-based PDFs. But keep in mind, it struggles with scanned documents, tables, or complex layouts. So if your PDF is basically text, this is the right tool. First step: installation. Open your terminal and type pip install pypdf. That's it. This pulls in the PyPDF library, which PyPDFLoader depends on. Now let's move to the code. At the very top of your Python file, import the loader like this. From LangChain.document_loaders import PyPDFLoader. This line tells Python we want to use LangChain's built-in PDF loader. Next, we create a loader object. Here's the line. Loader equals PyPDFLoader, sample.pdf. Notice the string inside the parentheses, that's the path to your PDF file. In this example, it's inside a folder called docs. Now, let's actually load the document. We call documents equals loader.load. This is what's called eager loading. It immediately reads all pages into memory. Each page becomes its own document object. Let's see what we got. Try printing the first page's content. Print documents 0.page_content. This will display the text from page 1. If you want metadata, like page number or source file, print documents 0.metadata. And that's it, you've just extracted text from a PDF using PyPDFLoader. Remember, great for text-based PDFs, but not ideal for scanned or complex layouts. In those cases, you'd need OCR or a more advanced loader. But for most simple documents, PyPDFLoader is fast, clean, and reliable. Alright, let's run this script. Open your terminal, navigate to the folder where your Python file is saved, and type python_my_loader.py. Hit enter, and you'll see the output. The first print statement shows the text content from page 1 of your PDF, and the second shows metadata like the page number and file source. This confirms that PyPDFLoader successfully extracted text and structured it into document objects. Each page is neatly separated, which makes it easy to process or feed into downstream tasks like embeddings or search. So, what's the verdict? The pros: it's fast, lightweight, and perfect for simple text-based PDFs. It integrates smoothly with LangChain, and you don't need extra dependencies beyond PyPDF. The cons: it doesn't handle scanned PDFs, tables, or complex layouts well. For those, you'd need OCR or more advanced loaders. But for everyday text documents, PyPDFLoader is a reliable go-to. Now let's move on to another loader, PDFPlumberLoader. This one uses the PDFPlumber library, which is excellent for extracting not just text, but also tables and structured layouts. If you're dealing with financial reports, invoices, or PDFs with tabular data, this is the tool you'll want. First, install the library by running pip install PDFPlumber. This ensures you have the backend needed for table extraction. Let's look at the code. At the top, import the loader. From LangChain.document_loaders import PDFPlumberLoader. Next, create the loader object with your file path. Loader equals PDFPlumberLoader, docs/report.pdf. Then load the document. Documents equals loader.load. Finally, print the first page's content. Print documents 0. .page_content. This will show you both text and table data extracted from page 1. Okay, let's actually run this code. Open your terminal, navigate to the folder where your Python file is saved, and type python_plumber_loader.py. Press enter, and Python will execute the script. On the screen, you'll see the extracted text from the first page of your PDF. If the page contains tables, like financial data or structured rows, PDFPlumberLoader will capture that too, and you'll notice the text is more organized compared to PyPDFLoader. This makes it much easier to process structured layouts. Now, keep in mind, PDFPlumberLoader does not include OCR, so scanned PDFs won't work. It's also slower compared to PyPDFLoader, because it's doing more detailed parsing. So in short, PyPDFLoader is best for simple text PDFs, while PDFPlumberLoader shines when you need structured layouts and tables. Next up is PyMuPDFLoader, also known as fitz. This loader uses the PyMuPDF library, which is a high-performance PDF parser. It's great when you need fast parsing, reliable extraction, and support for both text and images inside your PDF. To get started, install the library by running pip install PyMuPDF. This gives you access to the PyMuPDF backend. Now let's look at the code. First, import the loader. From LangChain_community.document_loaders import PyMuPDFLoader. Then create the loader object with your file path. Loader equals PyMuPDFLoader, sample.pdf. Load the document with documents equals loader.load. Finally, print the results. Print documents. This will display a list of document objects, each representing a page with extracted text and any embedded images. Let's run it. Open your terminal, navigate to the folder where your script is saved, and type python_mupdf_loader.py. Press enter, and you'll see the output. The console will show the extracted content, fast and efficient, even for larger PDFs. You'll notice it handles images better than PyPDFLoader or PDFPlumberLoader. One limitation: PyMuPDFLoader doesn't include OCR, so scanned PDFs won't work. It also provides less semantic structure compared to PDFPlumber. But if speed and reliable extraction are your priority, PyMuPDFLoader is a strong choice.